Hello everyone, this is Al-Hamim Abdurrahman. I'm going to be your instructor on this Udemy course. I'm a full-time dropshipper. I'm 23 years old from Morocco. So if you're interested in making money online dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, this is the best course you'll ever find. Why? I'll give you the answer. Because in 2018, eBay changed their algorithm. And with that change, the game's changed as well. In order to make money online, you have to change your strategy to a new strategy, which I will be teaching on this course. This course is made in 2019. That allows me to give you the new strategies I'm working with, which you can benefit once you get access to this course. So make sure to join today and make a lot share of money tomorrow. Hello guys again. On this video I'm gonna show you how to register an eBay account. I know it's wherever you can go you can find it, but I'm gonna do it anywhere. So let's start. First of all, you will go to ebay.com and go to register. After that you will type your name in here. I'm gonna type a name in here. I will put email. You will need to enter a password, and after that you can you need to enter a symbol in here so you can be available, so you can click on the create account. It's simple, that easy. The account has been created. I will be showing you how to change this username. You're gonna go to my eBay summary, click on account in here, just go to personal informations, and here is it. Just click on this, enter the password in here, sign in, and you're good to go. A pop-up will show up. Enter the new username you want, and there it is. So let's jump to the next video where I'm gonna show you the preferences and all the things you need to enter on your account. I'm gonna take you in here. You just go to eBay summary and go to account, go to site preferences. You will see this. Show the exact quantity of items in your listing. If the quantity exceeds them, you just want to make sure it's yes. Use the out of stock option. You will use it. So when the quantity of the listing, we're gonna be listing as good till cancel. So if we sell that item that we have on the quantity 1, if it sells, it will take it to 0, but the listing will still be available. It won't be removed or deleted, and we won't have to list it again. We just have to go to that same item that sold, and we will put 1 as quantity. It will be again live, and we won't also lose the sale history, because it means a lot for eBay's Cassini to rank you again, to rank you more higher. So you go to show confirmation page before. So make sure you make yes for all of these, because sometimes you just do something uh, as a mistake. You delete something just by mistake. You click on it. So you make sure to show confirmation page. So when you try to delete a scheduled listing, you will be shown something that will say, are you sure you want to delete it? Or are you sure you want to archive this? Use checkout offer PayPal on my listing. Make sure it's yes, because we're gonna use PayPal. Display PayPal preferred on my listings, of course, and accept credit debit card payments to my merchant credit cards. Make sure it's a no, because sometimes if someone buy from you from a credit or debit card payment, uh, you won't be protected, because PayPal have some rules and you're gonna be protected by PayPal. If something happen with the credit debit card, they can get back their payment, and you're gonna be maybe scammed, and you won't get your money from that sale. Mm, include my actions when by pay. Yeah, it says use this payment address. Don't use the sale taxes unless you have all credibility. If you're a US business and have all the stuff, you can read about it first and then use it. These preferences, shipping preferences. So, mm, yeah, you make sure you do a yes for this one. Let's show eBay purchase reminder email to buyers. Let eBay open and close unpaid item cases for you automatically. So sometimes some buyers purchase something but they don't pay for it. So we make sure to let eBay open a case automatically on this buyer 4 days after item sold. Buyer requirements, and here we have block buyers who are gonna go on edit. You make sure you buyers with a negative feedback score block those users, because there is some scammers that create new accounts, and try to purchase something from you. They know a lot about uh, policy holes on eBay and PayPal, so they can get their money, and you can lose a lot of money if you sell high tickets. So make sure to block users who have a feedback score of -1 or lower. Buyers with unpaid item strikes uh, who have received 2 unpaid item strikes within 1 month. Of course, buyers in location to which I don't ship. Uh, Here is for buyers that do bid or do buy from you and do not pay. And here, of course, don't allow blocked buyers to contact me, because they just gonna make some headache. So after that, you hit submit. So that's done. Uh, yeah, that's all. See you in the next video. Hello guys. So after setting up your account with all the information you need to type in to get access to here. Anyways, you're just gonna go to sell on the page on the head of the page. Just click on it and it will take you here. So first of all, you don't want to list something from a retail website. eBay is gonna be catchy about this. So you wanna list something from your home. It happened that I have a dream catcher here that I got as a gift before. So you're just gonna go in here and type in dream catcher, or you can list wherever you want, a mug, anything. Yeah, whatever you have. You just wanna go for it because eBay will be reviewing it, and if it happens to be something from a retail website, there might be some differences, some difficulties to convince them. So just go and use the start with the starting. I can use this one because dream clusters are listed on this category. So here we are. We can just go to eBay and green capture. We can use this one. Yeah, just take the title. So handmade dream catcher with feeder wall or hanging decoration ornament. There's some keywords in here so that the item can be solved. Anyways, you can skip the subtitle because you're gonna pay. Go to the pictures, add pictures. After that, you can start using all the pictures in here because the more pictures you have, the more traffic you're gonna get, the more ranking you're gonna be on eBay. So just make sure you list. I just wanna do it since it's our first. So just make sure this is made correct. You can write in here artisan, provenance, origin, and all that kind of stuff, all the details you have about the item. On the description, you can write whatever you want. Dream catcher, homemade in Morocco by by someone. Lucky Winston. So you just write some description for your item. You can just Google it. If you have something, just Google it and give the item. Get those informations. Fixed price. Of course, we're gonna be lifting a fixed price. Here on the price, for example, I'm gonna be making $400 just because I don't want this to sell. Okay, just make sure you price it a lot higher. on the business policies that make sure you make up your payment policy, your shipping policy, return policy right. You can go to create in here and create ones. Uh, just on the shipping, you can write whatever you see it's correct for you. For the return, just make it 30 days return policy. The payment you're gonna set up with your PayPal and stuff. With the shipping policy, I will show you in here. For example, if I want to create a new one, name your policy, green capture policy. You just want to make one. So when you already start using Amazon, just uh, name it a name that you will be, familiar with, and you start using it just by clicking on it and selecting as default, and you'll be using it all the time. So, dream capture policy for domestic shipping, it's about the shipping on the US. You can go and use the same cost to all buyers. For the services, you're going to be using USPS. You have here 2 to 8, 3 to 8, USPS first class 2 to 3 business days. So most of the time I'm using 2 to 3 days because I'm using Prime. I'm using Prime actually, so you can use the same one. For the cost, let's make it free shipping because we're gonna get free shipping. So of course we wanna offer free shipping. Also free shipping uh, have something to do with the eBay CEO Cassini. Handling time, it's from the time the item got purchased to the time where you're gonna ship it and upload the tracking number or valid tracking number. So for Amazon, it's about 2 days. So we're gonna be using this 2 days. I'm showing you exactly what I'm using, so you can use the same. You can use 3 days, but if you go below, I mean 4 days and 5 days, uh, maybe the ranking will hurt you in this case. So you can use 2 to 3 days. Anyways, uh, after that, here, sell globally. If you want to ship globally, you can use the global shipping program offered by eBay. So you won't be dealing with all the international thing. You're just gonna ship it to the contact center of eBay and they're gonna take care of it. If you want to use it, you can use it for alternative international shipping options. No alternative international shipping because it's kind of hard to keep up with this stuff. So you're gonna exclude Alaska, Hawaii, APO, US protector territories. Uh, in here you can add PO boxes as well because Amazon do not ship to PO boxes. They do sometimes, but rarely. So you can click it as well and use apply. Once that's done, just click save and close. On the return policy, create, you're gonna name return policy, return accepted, of course. After receiving the item, your buyer should contact you within 30 days. The fund will be given as you can use one from these. Money back is good for me. Or you can replacement because Amazon is often replacement as well. Return shipment will be paid by buyer. Of course, you don't want to be, so make sure you click on the buyer, use the buyer. Do you want to charge a shipping fee? Here you have a shipping fee that you can use. So, and you can save and close. And the dimensions, weight and stuff. The item location. If you want to boost that promotion listing. In here for promotion listing, you won't be charged anything unless the item sold as a promotion listing. So if you will be making 1%, if the item sells, you're gonna pay for as you can see here, ad fee if this item sells from promotion listing. You won't be charged unless the item sell from the promotion listing. And go and list the item. I'm not gonna be listed. So that's been said. The policy, how to list your first item. That's done because eBay is gonna revise this one manually or just by robot, but you just want to make sure you do it correctly. That's been said, let's move to the next part. Hello guys, so we're on the Zik Analytics. We're on the Zik Analytics website. I will leave the description below so you can use it. So first of all, we're gonna find a product that will sell on eBay. First of all, we're gonna go on Amazon. Amazon, we can go to shop by category, we can go to toys and games, and action figures, whatever, maybe that will work. Let's copy this one. We will go to the analytics, we're gonna go to product research. We're gonna come here and paste this one. And we're gonna hit search. So there's no item with this. Let's see this one. So here we are. We have a lot of people selling the item we just found in here. So it says $15. We're gonna see what people are selling here for. This one is selling it for 3. Opened on eBay. This one selling it for 34, 23, 22, 92, 95. Over here for 33, and I believe that's no, I can use this one. So first of all, we're gonna go to our website. So how we use it, we're gonna use first of all, on the start you're gonna use the fixed price. After that we will be using store, free insertions, and we're gonna use whatever from this one that will be the correct one for you. So if you're in the United States, it's 2.9 plus 3 cents. If you're international, you will have to add this 1%. Sometimes it's 3.9. For here in Morocco, it was like 4 point, yeah, it was 4.5, I believe. And after that, when you build sale history and you gonna get a large volume of sales, you can change it. So you're gonna choose whatever in here. For me, this is what I pay as fees. Let's make this one in here. So the item costs, and people are selling it for. So this one is getting a net profit. 1 point. It's about $2 if they sell this one single item. So what we're gonna do here is, as you noticed, when I went here, I didn't went with this one or this one because they're different with a small profit because they're making profit on the back end, not the front end. And we're gonna focus here on the front end. You can focus on the back end. Some after you after that or whenever you want. If you're a US citizen, you can use the 5% cashback from the Amazon, and that's what these people are doing in here. Also, they're using cashback websites. I'm gonna be listing some on the description that you can use as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to these sellers. So this one is listing it for 23, which means if he sells, he will make $4. This one for 2, 3, 4. Look, this is a huge profit. Anyway, what we're gonna do here is when we go with the item, when we find it in here in the Zik Analytics, you will find most of the items on Zik Analytics. Just copy, paste, and you'll find it. Anyway, make sure to go to the calculation in here, go the map, and see. For example, you wanna get at least $1 on this transaction or $1.5. So it will be, let's see. Here we are. It's what you will take this price, go to the Zik Analytics page, and don't click on someone that have below, that go below this price. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one as well. You can ignore the other ones. So what you're gonna do is build a seller list, dropshipper list. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna check this one, top page. Go to Excel, create a new one. So in here we're gonna paste this in here. Go again. The other one just goes going to and go to this one. Go down to Excel here, close it. Next one. So this one have a lot of feedbacks. So we don't wanna snipe this person because they know a lot. They can just go on your store and copy all your items, list them on their accounts. So don't, if you want, you can go for them. But what I'm gonna be saying is don't go for people above 10,000 feedback. So, compromise. This one is good. Here's the next one. This is a small amount of feedback, so you can go 100 and above. From 100 to 10,000. Can you ignore this one as well? And this one as well. So just do that and repeat it a lot of times. So it's 27, 28. Let's say we're gonna make 2.5 profit on each side on this side. Let's say like so. We can take this one. So let's see. So it's true standard. So we can use this one. We just found two. This one. And this one. You want to repeat this as much as you can so you can get a lot of sellers. So here we're gonna start. We're gonna go with the first one. So we're gonna copy this one. We're gonna go back to the analytics. We're gonna go to the competitor research. We're gonna paste this in here and start search. The computer has been added to our waiting list, so you can sometimes it takes up to 24 hours until the seller is ready to view. So you can get back in 24 hours and check these items, check this seller's sales and stuff. We'll move to the next one. I believe I made a mistake. Yeah, here we are. They will give us all the data about the store. So the sales through rate, the active listing, this one have 944 and sold items on the 13 days. He sold 2079. The average price, the successful listing, and the feedback sold. So he sold this item 33 only this month. The total sales were, as you can see, uh, so we're gonna open this one, because he sold 7. I go with 4 sales or more. So open this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if we go into here, we're gonna go in his description, copy it, and search Google for this. And here it is. Sold for, I believe he said, oh, he sell it for less. And the item location is the United States. So we should find it somewhere else. Here. Or we can just forget about this one and go to the other. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But when we open this one, I believe I saw, yeah, here is it. Here's the item box. See, it's on Amazon. It costs $7 or about $8, and he's selling it for 14 or 15, which means 8, 15. It's $4 profit only on these sales. He sold uh, 43 just on this item. So this it's $172 only on this single item. So you just go save it on your favorite tabs, or go and paste it on a Microsoft Excel document. After that, go to the next one. You can search by the picture as well. Just go and search Google for image. Let's get this one because it's from Amazon. Yeah, it's the same one, but I believe it's not available. Let me check. It is available. It costs 26, and he's selling it for the same price. Weird. We can find sometimes you can find the same item on another listing, but it costs less. Whenever it's not in here, just you can leave this one because you don't want to waste a lot of time just looking for one single item when you can find a lot of other ones. Search Google for image. For the search, these people change in their description, the title, a lot of stuff. So you have to play with it. You can search with the picture, with the description, with the title, and see what you will get in here. I don't know, it's on Amazon French. No, this one. Was we can just copy this and go to Amazon.com. Let's see. It's not in here. Is it this one? No, it isn't. Okay, search it on Google. And I believe it is not. Yeah, it is, guys. So it costs 17.7, and he's selling it for 24, 25. So if he sells this item, he'll get $3. So just go and copy the same item, save it on your favorites or on your Microsoft Excel, and you'll just keep doing the same thing again and again and again. So let's move to another seller to check if this really works. Go to Microsoft Excel, we're gonna get the third one from the list we just got. Go to here and paste this and search. Here we are. This one sells $10,000 this last 13 days. 30 days. Sorry. Sometimes you'll get this green button in here. Just click on it, and it will do the work for you. So this one on Amazon costs this, and in years 23 we go to the new life options, and it's more than this, you remember, but he's making $2 profit out of this. So as you can see, you can go this one, this one, this one, all the way to this one. I mean, for me, I go for 4, at least 4 sold on the last 30 days. This one are on red. You just wanna go find it, you open it on the new tab, go to the monster, to the eBay, and here we are. We can search using this description in here. Well, I believe there's another example for this one. This is it. It's 1/24 scale, 2.4 gigahertz, and this is it. It costs 15, and it's sold 23. So here's selling it for this exactly. So he's getting more than $4.5. Anyway, when we go to list this item, we won't list it with the same price he's selling with, because we wanna go and rank. Since he got some sales history in here, he sold this item before 4 times ago, 4 times. So we will not list it with less. So then you have the option to choose whatever you want to allow it for. You can go with this one, which will give you more than $3. It's about $4, and that's how you do it. So I showed you the automatic thing that will do it fast for you. Now I'm gonna show you the manual method to do the same thing, which is kinda hard and time wasting. So the analytics works what they chase actually. There's another website that you can use, which is power .ao app. I will leave it on the description. You can use it. It's similar to Zik Analytics, but it's quite not the same results. Zik Analytics is much better and gives you the exact correct informations. So you can use it, it's free. I will leave the link on the description as well. Now let's move to the manual method. We will go to Amazon again. We will start from Amazon every time. We will go with whatever. We go with choice again. Let's see. Let's go with this one. So copy this. We go to eBay and we'll search for it. And here it is. A lot of listings with this single item. So how much it costs? This costs 10.8.9. So first of all, we're gonna go to real life auctions. We're gonna paste it in here. So if you want to make about $1.8 or $1, which is around 10% profit, we can go with $1. So okay, cool. And that will work. We're gonna look for items that listed for at least 40. So here's one. Another one and another one, and go back. I just clicked on it by mistake. We open 3, this one as well. This one, this is from Canada and this is from China. I will close this one because I don't want to use from China. From China, United States, this one, this one, this one, this one. You're gonna get a lot of free drops. You see how many dropshippers I just got on that single item. This one. Anyway, I won't go on all this. I'll close this tab. So you're gonna go in here just as I said before. By the way, this is from China. If you listed the same item with the same results, with the same keywords, same categories, same stuff, here you're gonna be listed and ranked much more than this one, because this one is from China and it will take a lot of time to get to the customer. If we have it on the United States and we can offer 2 days shipping and 2 days handling, which is 4 days, it's not like if it's shipped from China, and it will take at least about uh, 15 days. Yeah. So you're gonna go save this one if you want or not. Whatever, I'm just gonna be, this one is from the United States. I'm gonna check the seller. I'm gonna go to my Microsoft Excel PlayStation here. Go to another one. Take it. And just like that, after that, you will go. Now this one got a link. So once I clicked on it, it took us to the link. So let's check this one. go to Google Chrome and either go to the advanced, and here you wanna search by seller. Seller. Enter seller user ID. So yeah, just go and start searching. Here is it. Here are the items listed by this person. We're gonna go and select sold listings, but we just wanna see the listing that he sold. And here you're gonna start with everyone on this. Just go with every listing. That's why I say it's much worse and much hard. You will have to go to the listings and see if it sold more than 4 times. This is sold 5 times, but we have to see if it sold more times on the last 30 days. Click on it. So it's May 14, May, April. So this is sold 5 times on the last 30 days. So I just go and search for it. As you have noticed, I'm using the description lots of time. So here is it. It costs 22.3, and he's selling it for 34.9, which means it's much less. And he's selling it for, so he's making $6, about $7. You can list it for 32.9, which is, and you still have $6. Or you can just go to this and you will get $3.4. And this is how you're gonna do it. Just take the names, go to eBay, advanced, go to buy seller, and click this, and your seller ID in here, and click search. After that, you go to sold listings, and you will open all these, this one, all of these on a new tab, and go and check if it's sold at least 4 times on the last 30 days. If it's sold, you're gonna go and save it and go list it. Now we have data that confirms that this items does sell, and if we cut the price down, we can climb the ranking on eBay and make some sales. Yeah, that's exactly the strategy I'm doing, which called sniping. You can use it and start making money. So there you go. On the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use AutoDS, which is uh, a price monitor which track uh, the item from the location, from the source from Amazon. If the the price change or the quantity drop to zero, it will automatically change the price on eBay or make it as zero on the quantity if it's out of stock on Amazon. That being said, see you in the next video. Hello everyone to this video. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to list using AutoDS. It's a software. It's the software I'm using. So we just gonna open the products that we found earlier, which is this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the URL, go to do AutoDS and paste it in here. Here, if you will select the source products website, which is Amazon, Walmart, Banggood, AliExpress, China, Home Depot, Wi-Fi US, or Costco. So we're using Amazon, so we're gonna be selecting it. If you're uploading to other websites, you're gonna select it from here. So this is up to variation. If there is a product with variation, for example, if we had uh, the same product with another color, for example, if we have uh, another color in the place of the blue in here, so it's up to you to upload the variation or not. If you don't want to upload variation and want to upload only one single product, you can deselect this and you're gonna choose the template you're gonna be using. I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna click on grab details. Just wait a moment uh, for the software to grab all the details. So as we can see in here, it took this title, uh, the picture in here, and the brand, the ARN, the UPC, and all that. The picture as well. As you can see, there's only one picture in here, so it's uploaded in here. If there is multiple picture, it will upload them as well. Anyway, since we're gonna snipe this person, we're gonna take the same title, copy it, and paste it in here. You can add something like, for example, there's no new in here, and new is a good keyword that you can always use. So yeah, now we have 0 remaining. For example, if you got a bunch of keywords, you can write as much as you can. But after that, when you optimize, you can see that this is not working. This is less competitive, so I'm gonna be deleting it until you reach what's have to be 0 remaining or some number in here. It just need to be not a negative. The source website is 7.95 and this person is listing it for 14.99. So for example, we're gonna be listing it on and just work with this break even and the additional profit in here, and you will have the final estimated profit. For example, the final estimated profit for this is 2.62. So you're gonna be to the category. This is Apollo in here, and it's Apollo in here, so it's the same one. If it's not, you can go in here and select what uh, what category. You always go to this one. This is just, as you can see here, the name, and this is the category. If not, when you click on here, there is a number you can see on the bottom, 13903, or you can click on this, go to the website, to the URL. I'm gonna copy the URL, I'm gonna paste it in here. Let's choose a black document. So here is the URL. When you click on the category, there is this number, which is not what we will be using, but this one, 13903. You copy it, 13903. Copy it, go to AutoDS and click let me choose a category. Click on this. This is the category ID, paste it in there, and click on load category. So it's done. After that, you will go back to the item you're spying on and go in here. So there is the type, there is the future refinements, and condition it's new. So what you're gonna be using, you're gonna always copy all the informations in here. So if you got a UPC, a brand name, or whatever, you're just gonna copy it, come back in here, and paste it in this one. Those one are the mains that you're always gonna find them. If you have one of them in here, just copy it and paste it in here. So we don't have any one of these in this product. So we're gonna, for example, click type branded model. We're gonna not apply. Same on the UPC, the and the manufacturer. We don't want any information to be in there. For the modified item, you can always click no, because most of the times the items are not modified. You can go back in here. There's this type and future refinements. Copy this eBay item number. We have here add item specific, enter item URL or ID. So we're gonna paste the ID in here and copy specifics from eBay listings. As you can see, the type and the feature refinements are here without no need to just go and type every single one at a time. So as I say, always use all this number. So just click in here and it will duplicate it until you reach that number. If you want to add another one, for example, you can't upload more than 11 images. So if you need to, for example, in here we still have the title and the picture. If you change the picture, for example, if you have another picture in here, you can select it if you want it to be the one in here, and you go to refresh template, it will pull up, grab the title we modified, it's in here, and the picture which we've chosen. So, and after that you will use either the location, you can type wherever you want. For the policy, you can use the eBay business policies that you made before, or you can use a custom upload. For the custom upload, for the listing duration, it's you can choose good to cancel. For the handling time, you can use one of these. For the shipping time, always you can use, and for return policy, you can use. I will just use the ones I'm using. I'm naming this Amazon, so I can always, as you can see, the dragon catcher we've created before. Uh, and after we finish this, just click upload product and upload now. And yeah, it's done. If we click on active listings, it's it's the first one in here. So we're just gonna click on it, and it will take us to the eBay website. So another thing that I'm gonna be teaching you here is how to use the AutoDS Finder. So if you work, you don't have time and stuff, and you want the things to be done automatically, you just go in here and use whatever one you want. You can use the website. It's there's Amazon and Amazon US, UK, and Walmart, Home Depot, AliExpress. So, for 3 sales in a month, you're gonna pay 1 credit per product. For 5 sales in a month, you're gonna be paying 2 credits per product. For 8 sales in a month, you're gonna be charged 4 credits per product. And products with high chance of coupons, these are the products that there is a high chance of coupons. For example, if we go to Google, uh, for example, I'm gonna type coupons. Amazon. This is Amazon FF.com. Here's Amazon coupons. As you can see here, these are the items that have coupons on them. So, for example, if we choose one, let's choose, for example, this one. If we list this item with only with the same price, for example, we're gonna be making 20% only from this coupon. So when we list a bunch of products with high chance of coupons, we will be, if these items sells, we're gonna make a good profit. Okay, do you understand? So that's it. Just use how much you want. By the way, you will need to buy the AutoDS Finder credits. These are the prices. 1000 for 13 to, anyway, you can check for yourself. Uh, for example, I have some credits left in there. So for example, let's use this one. Okay, I can list 3 items with the 8 sales, or I can list okay, 5 sales amounts, and let's list 6 of them. So we're gonna upload it. You will need to choose. Here it's already chosen because we did it on the first place. And the policy, the payment policy, the location. For example, I'm not going to be uploading variation. I'm not going to be enabling out of stock items upload, and I'm not going to be allowing viral. So I'll be allowing marketplace first upper letters because it makes it a little bit good to be seen in there. Duplicate main picture. So if there's, for example, 5 pictures of that product, they're gonna be taking the first one, which is the main picture, and keep duplicating it. Let's make it private. And let's make a collage. A collage is when we, for example, if we have 4 pictures, uh, we're gonna take this 4 pictures and make them on one picture and upload it in there with the pictures. And after that, you can choose either upload products or schedule products, or create a recurring upload. So if you buy a bunch of credits, you can create this. You're gonna be choosing the upload time. So as you can see here, you are creating a recurring upload that will upload 6 amounts of items every day at your scheduled time. So you can choose the time you want, and then you can click confirm, and it will be uploading whatever you selected from items every day at the same time. I'm just gonna be uploading the products. Upload products. Okay, that's done. So using this, you can make this so quickly. I will be leaving the AutoDS link, so you can use it. I think that's all for the course. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask them either in here or on my social, Facebook or Instagram. So that's all. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye. So in 2017, eBay started automatically accepting the buyer request for returning items. So once a buyer open a return item, it will be automatically accepted. So once you do that, the buyer can ship it directly to the address you're providing in there. So to avoid that problem and to have time to work things with the buyer, you have to go to this return preferences. I will give you the direct link on the description. So it's you will go down here to the RMA number. Make sure to click this in here. Give me the option to add RMA return authorization number to each return label. So also Amazon gives you a RMA number that you can provide to the buyer. So make sure you do this. Give me the option to add the RMA. That one will protect you from just receiving from the buyer sending you returns to your home instead of sending them back to Amazon so that you get your refund and refund them. And also it gives you time so you can speak to the buyer, tell them if you can offer them a partial refund, or they can cancel, or you can directly issue a refund without them needing to send you the item back. See you on the next video. Hello everyone, wish you're doing well. So we're gonna talking about negative feedback removal on eBay. So in this page we have if I received a negative feedback that I don't think is fair, what can I do? You can respond to the feedback and tell your side of the story. As a seller, you can also send a limited number of requests for buyers to revise their feedback. I will give you a customer service uh, document where we will be having some messages that you can send to the buyers if you have some problems. Of course, I can't cover all the things, but I covered the main things, like if the buyer received the item from Amazon and mad about it, if uh, if you can ship to PO boxes and things like that. Also, there's gonna be a message about about revising the feedback. When you send the revised feedback, you can send a message with it. That's included on this document. I received the feedback that violates eBay policies. What should I do? If a member has violated one of our feedback policies, you can ask us to have it removed. Once we review it, we may remove the entire feedback or just the comment or the rating. The case when they will remove just the comment and not the rating, which means you will be having the negative feedback, but the comment will disappear. When they mention Amazon or Walmart, for example, if they're gonna say, I purchased the same item on Walmart for less than what I paid for you, for example, in this case, if you call eBay, they will just remove the comment but not the negative feedback itself. So let's talk about when you can get this negative feedback removed. First of all, about a week ago, a customer left a negative feedback with the word amazing, which means they left it by mistake. So I just took my phone and called eBay and tell them that the buyer left a negative feedback with a positive comment, which means that was by mistake. So I got it removed right away. Second thing is using profanity. If the buyer used profanity on the comment, it's not allowed to be there. It violates eBay policies. Anyways, if it's something that uh, for example, viral, it shouldn't make it to the platform since there's filters and stuff on eBay. But if it does, if the buyer use some dollar signs to do the S's or something like that, you can go on and call eBay about it, and they will uh, act from there. So, third thing is feedback extortion. So the buyer will tell you, if you don't do that, I will leave you a negative feedback. So for example, he will say, if you don't issue a refund, I will leave you a negative feedback. That's against eBay policies, and you can call and get it removed. What else? Uh, for the item not received. If uh, if the feedback says that they have not received the item and you have proof the item was delivered, you can call eBay and make them remove it. Uh, Another thing that happened in this situation is when they open a case about item not received case. If they if they leave the negative feedback before, it should be automatically removed. If it doesn't, you can go call eBay and make them remove it. Or if they or leave it afterwards, you can go and call eBay and make them remove it. The next thing is when people uh, start talking about the price, complaining. For example, they will tell you the price was too high, it doesn't worth it, or whatever, anything like that. They have the option to go and look for it on other websites or on eBay itself and make the purchase from there. But since since they made the purchase, they don't have the right to complain about it. So you just go call eBay and make them remove it. Last thing is when you work with the global shipping program, I talked about it before. If something happened with those orders, if it got damaged or something like that, uh, you can you can go call eBay and tell them that you sent the item and it was received on Kentucky. Well, because you send it to eBay on Kentucky, and that the problem has occurred after that, and not from you to Kentucky. I mean, from Amazon to Kentucky. Uh, so you can just call eBay and make them remove it. That's being said, I believe that's all. Feedback are something crucial to our business. So you can use those tips to make those feedbacks removed. And first of all, just always make sure to resolve the problem for the buyer because eBay likes that. And if it sees that, it will help you a lot. Also, contact the buyers. Always try to work things with the buyers first. Then, if it doesn't work, you can go and call eBay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. So, hello everyone. I'm just gonna show you how to deal with cases if you ever receive an item not received case. You just go to the cases place, and here I have an open case in here. So what you want to do is go to see details. Here you will have some options in here. You will have three options. first, because this just added after a few days. You have update track and details, refund the buyer, or send a message to the buyer. So if you haven't sent the item to the buyer, you will just go and refund the buyer. If you have sent the item, what you will have to do is to go to update tracking details and go to continue. After that, this will be automatically clicked in here, and add the tracking details. Go to the transaction with that person. Go get the tracking details. Just add it in here. Select the carrier, either it's USPS, UPS, FedEx. If it happens to be another carrier, just click other and add the carrier name in here, and the comment, add the date of when the item got delivered. After that, click add tracking details. I'll go back to show you. I already did this. You add the tracking details. The carrier is USPS. And the tracking number is here. Hello dear. The item was delivered April 19th. That's the date of when the item got delivered. So after that, after a few days, if the buyer have not closed it or said that he got the item, just go and ask us to step in and help, and click continue. You will have to select your reason. You will click I ship the item with tracking details. Hello, the item was delivered on April 19th. I already added tracking number. Thank you. And just like that, ask eBay to step in. So hello everyone, I'm gonna be talking about item cancellations. There's two parts of this video. There's the cancellations, when you have to cancel some items, and when an item got sold and the buyer sent a cancellation request. So sometimes when you will be using the auto order, once the item got received, if there is balance on your account, it will be automatically done and sent. So maybe you'll be asleep, or you'll be on a vacation or whatever, and you won't take care of it, so the item will be sent. Anyways, if when you will check, you will go and see if the item was sent. If it was sent, you will go talk to the buyer and tell him that the item was sent, and you won't accept the cancellation. But you can do another thing. You can go, if it's just got shipped and still on the carrier, you can just go on Amazon and talk to a representative on the shop and tell her that you need to cancel that order and it's something urgent, and they will take care of it. Once you got your refund, you can then refund the buyer. If you still can cancel, of course you will cancel. The other part of this video is when an item was sold, and when you go to the source website, you will find that price won't drop. In this case, you will have to cancel. So if it's $1, you can go and ship it to the buyer. You can do that and send it to the buyer. But if you're losing about, it depends. You know what you can afford. If you can't afford this loss, you can cancel. Also, I left you a message that you can send to the buyer and tell them that you need to cancel the item. You will send them that message on that document, and you will go and cancel the item with. There's a problem with the shipping address of the buyer. In that case, you will avoid the. In this case, you will avoid the defect that this can may cause. Thus, that this cancellation may cause on your account. That's all. We said it all on this. We talk about everything. In this video, we're gonna talk about the store subscription fees. So when you start, you can start with this one, which is starter. With the monthly renewal, you will pay 7, about 8. With the yearly renewal, you will pay 5. For the basic, you will, I think you just heard the same. Anyways, for the basic, you will pay like 25, 28, 21 for the yearly renewal. And as you can see, here are the costs. So the thing is, you won't know when to change from nothing to starter, from starter to basic, basic to premium, and premium to anchor, and anchor to enterprise. Well, I made the math for this for you guys. So when you have a starter, let's see, starter you have 7.9. Let's see the eBay stores subscriptions and fees. Okay. The discounts. So for the starter, you have 100 fixed price listing. For the basic, you have 250. With the premium, 1,000, anchor 10,000, and enterprise 100,000. After that, when you get the 100 per month, I mean when you finish this or this or this, for the starter you will be paying 3 cents. For the basic you will be paying 2.5. For the premium you will be paying 10 cents. For the anchor 5 cents, and the enterprise 5 cents. Anyways, when you, let's open calculator. So when the time when you have to change from the starter to the basic, and is when you have 166. uh, I mean, in here you get 10 for free, right? So minus 10. So after our subscription, which is 100, we listed 56 with 66. If we do the math, which is 0.3 dollar, it will give us, as you can see, this one. If we add it to the other cost, which is 7 something, so it costs 7.9, which is 8. Let's copy this and let's add that. No, let's add 7 point. See, it's 27. If you list one more item, you will it will be 28, which is more than 27.95. That's when you know that on 166 items, you should move to the basic subscription. On the basic subscriptions, you will have to move to the premium subscriptions. This. So on the basic subscription, you will have 250. So if we can take 250 from here, it will give us this one. It will be 5 cents. We don't know. Which is 47 plus the basic subscription, which is 27 20 no 27 point, it will be 74.95, which is the same as premium. So when you list one more item, you will be charged more than the premium. I think so. So starter, we have here basic, we have here premium, and Oracle. Results for subscription. Way to move. For the starter, we say it's for the basic, we say it's here. For the premium, It's just and for the anchor, that's it. So here's it. That's been said. Let's move to the next chapter, which we'll be talking about how to find items that sells on eBay. See you there.